Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making this grapevine slab. You'll need these supplies. I'm making indentations along the top of the clay. This is just to give it some character. Roll out your 4 balls of clay into thin snakes. Chop the purple clay up into small pieces. These will be our grapes for our grapevine. Roll the pieces into balls, and then place them on the clay in grape clusters. Using your dark green clay, roll it out very thin, and then place it around the grape clusters. Use your brown clay to make the grape stems. Use your light green clay to make leaves. You can place them wherever you'd like, on the grapevines or at the top of the grape clusters. I'm using this dark purple color as a backing for my clay slab, just to make it stronger. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!